Now, switching gears a bit, working moms, we know how much they do for their families. Well, I actually spoke to a financial expert to get some help on one of those big tasks that mom takes on. Working mothers are among the hardest workers in the world. In addition to their professional life, they're often in charge of numerous household decisions, including choosing the family's health care plan. In fact, women make approximately 80% of the health care decisions in their families and take the lead role in choosing the health plans, which is why we are talking to our next guest. She is one of the top wealth experts in the country and host of the popular radio show Renegade Millionaire. Winnie Sun, she is the result actually of an informative new study about working moms' healthcare choices commissioned by Aflac and Working Mother magazine. Winnie, thank you so much for being with us.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Let's actually start out with did we find out what some of the biggest mistakes that moms are making when they're making these choices?
We did. One of the biggest mistakes moms make, and not just moms, but everyone in general, is that we're so busy, right? Working mothers, for example, we are juggling families and work, and we're nothing short of superwomen. So because of time, oftentimes we just say, we'll pick the same benefit plans as last year. We won't take the time to dedicate to evaluate all our choices. We just click same as last year. You don't want to do that.
Well, like you said, it's good to kind of see what the choices are, see what's best for you, and see if maybe that has changed from last year. Was there anything that was kind of surprising that came out of the survey?
Yes. Something that was surprising and probably very interesting to know is that we found that nearly 50% of women surveyed noted that they wouldn't be in a situation financially to cover their high deductible costs of their medical insurance. And this is critical because the deductibles can start at $1,000 per year and it can just go higher from there. So if you're not really prepared financially to do so, that means you're taking valuable resources that otherwise would go to other important family costs.
And you know, those high deductible plans, I know they're becoming a lot more popular, so people may think that's the new thing that everybody's doing, but let's get some information on it, what it is, and really maybe what are some of the consequences of it.
Absolutely. So the high deductible health insurance plans are simply health insurance plans that or medical plans have a lower monthly premium, but are offset by these higher deductibles. And what the Aflac Working Mother survey found that when you don't prepare for this, then you take from, like I mentioned before, family resources. So there are ways to kind of mitigate that risk, right? There are ways of doing a little bit of planning just in case your family comes and is confronted with these expenses, such as voluntary insurance is something that I found very interesting. So voluntary insurance from companies such as Aflac can cover insurance needs such as cancer, accidental coverage, critical illness, things like that. So definitely something to get better informed and educated on. Also, companies now are offering employees plans such as health savings accounts. And if your company offers you that, you should definitely research that in detail because that can be quite powerful. In addition, a lot of companies now bring in advisors or consultants like myself to work with their employees to help them make these sort of decisions as well.
Well, the first thing, of course, like you're saying, is to get the information that we need to get educated. So if I want to learn more about the survey or more information on what are the best choices for me, where can I go online?
Absolutely. So to get better educated on voluntary insurance and to look at all the results from the survey, you want to go to aflac.com/workingmother.
Well, we're in the throes of open enrollment, Winnie, so this was the perfect time to talk to you. Thank you so much.
For sure. Thank you so much for having me.
Don't go anywhere. The Morning Blend. We'll be right back.